हाई फ्रेन्ड्स, अब चाहिँ हामी बगी राइड्सको लागि जाँदैछौँ। यो चाहिँ हाम्रो आजको राइड बगी पाइरेट्स। सामान यहाँ राख्ने हो, ब्याग त्यहाँ यतिकै छिर्छ त। We go off to the road. Yeah.
Show, and that's the zoo park. Okay, just to show you something more. Yeah, it's a little oasis between the very dry air. How are you?
Oh, good.
Yeah, don't say to your friends to come here. So that village, and it ends with the water dam. Okay, you can see the water level is very low because here rains 7 days, 2 weeks of rain in a year. Okay, it's not too much, of course. You've got the rock and oval over there, near exactly in the middle of the mountain. It's the emblem of the island, the middle point of the island, and you've got a white ball in the middle of the mountain. This is the highest point.
Auntie is driving. How you feeling, Auntie? Good. Gran can see.
For example, okay, you have the possibility to do it here, to walk or by bicycle, but not with the car because you need a special permit, okay, because this is a natural protected area. Okay, if we see a car or 2 cars, it's because they need to check the water, because they will be the water will be pumped from the north side to the south side. Through this aqueduct. Okay, I'm going to show you now on the left side the aqueduct. That's the reason. Yeah.
What are you eating? Fruit.
On the cheese. हाम्रो चाहिँ अफ रोड टुर सक्यो 2.5 घन्टाको थियो बुगी राइड सकेपछि चाहिँ हामी अब यहाँ अर्को एक्टिभिटिजमा
तिमी त
जाँदैछौँ
फाउन्डेसनले भरेर हो त बुढी
फाउन्डेसन पुरै स्यान्डले कभर गर्छ हेर्नु न ओ माई गड कपाल पुरै स्यान्डले भयो तर एकदमै रमाइलो भयो वान अफ द बेस्ट एडभेन्चर नै भयो
अलमोस्ट ह्याड एन एक्सिडेन्ट हैन
we almost had an accident but we enjoyed it